Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Square Payments for card processing, full guide step by step clearly. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure you use an email that you can easily access, as you will need to verify it later. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements provided. After entering your email and password, click on Create Account. A verification email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your inbox for an email from Square. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your address. Return to the Square website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to enter additional information about your business. Fill in the required fields, such as your business name and type. You may also need to provide your business address and phone number. Square will ask for your social security number or tax identification number for tax purposes. Enter this information accurately. Next, link your bank account to receive payments. Provide your bank account number and routing number. Make sure that the account you link is able to receive deposits. Square may require you to verify your identity with additional documentation. Follow the prompts to upload any required documents. Once your identity is verified, you'll gain access to your Square dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate through the various features available for card processing. Check for any setup prompts or action items on your dashboard. You may want to explore adding payment methods or customizing your checkout experience. Before you start processing payments, review Square's fees and services. Ensure you understand how fees will affect your business transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.